tálacht Bácús agus tá sé cearú éis se cúig maidin. Tá Orla ag Bácáil gur cruig agus an blá atá teach amach a se go híomhan. Tá sé anna fuór láthair ach tá sé siúd ag Bácáil agus tá sé chun na táirgeoirí atá cé a chur na sealfna timpeall na hallmhargaí agus na siúpaí go léir timpeall leithinis. Seo ag ceann just na sráhanna atá Scrogall TV á chlúdach just na táirgeoirí bhí atá timpeall leithinis. So is ólam go tága míid a reis mar tha sé anna lua. So címe tú níos déanaí.
Hi, my name is Orla Gowan. I'm a local producer from Chorca Dhuibhne and I started my business Bácús Bhréanainn in 2009. My background is hotel and catering management and I moved down here with my husband and family, 4 children, from Dublin in 2004. We decided we wanted to set up a business and keep it in the local area, so we set up the bakery. Took a chance, invited everybody out to our house, baked a lot of products. We had over 100 people that came through the house one Sunday and it was hugely received, very, very welcomed into the area. So it kind of grew from there. It has grown significantly in the last 3 years. Initially I started at home and then moved to this premises in 2010. I supply a number of premises and restaurants and shops in Dingle, Ventry and Tralee and deliver large quantities to a restaurant in Glen Bay also. I employ 1 person in addition to myself, 2 full-time positions and a number of part-time positions from June until September. The product range, I do predominantly yeast baking and recently I did a sourdough baking course in the UK. It's an area I've always been interested in developing and a number of people, particularly in Dingle, are interested in sourdough baking for health reasons, besides taste and everything else. My first products, sourdough bread, 100% rye sourdough and a mixture of rye and wholemeal sourdough. I have a little bit of practice to do, but they'll get there. I've also started to do confectionery and I'll be supplying a couple of shops and cafes in Dingle with confectionery. We distribute products all over Chorca Dhuibhne and it is a huge thanks, Fhéile Bídh, to everybody that supports us. Without them, a small enterprise like ours could not possibly grow and develop, could not provide employment in the area, which it does. I'm so hugely grateful to everybody for all of their support. It's hugely important to us. It's wonderful when they do pick small enterprises and are loyal to them.